Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is code versioning. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is code versioning? Code versioning, also known as version control or source control, is the management of changes to documents, computer programs, large websites, and other collections of information. It is the practice of tracking and managing changes to code, allowing multiple developers to collaborate on a project while keeping track of every modification made to the code base. Here are some key aspects and benefits of code versioning. Number 1. Tracking changes. Code versioning systems keep track of changes made to files over time. Developers can see who made changes, what changes were made, and when they were made. Number 2, collaboration. Version control allows multiple developers to work on the same code base simultaneously without interfering with each other's work. It enables seamless collaboration by providing mechanisms for merging changes made by different developers. Number 3, backup and recovery. Version control systems serve as backup mechanism for code. Developers can revert to previous versions of the code base if needed, which is particularly useful when errors are introduced or if there is a need to roll back to a stable state. Number 4, branching and merging. Version control systems typically support branching, which allows developers to create separate lines of development. This feature enables teams to work on different features or fixes independently and later merge to their changes back into the main code base. Number 5, code reviews and auditing. Version control facilitates code reviews by providing a history of changes. Developers can review each other code changes, provide feedback, and ensure code quality. Additionally, version control logs can be audited for compliance or security purposes. Number 6, release management. Version control systems can help manage software releases by tagging specific versions of the code base. This ensures that a particular version of the software can be easily reproduced and deployed. Popular version control systems include Get, Subversion, SVN, Mercurial, and Perforce. Get, in particular, has gained widespread adoption due to its distributed nature, speed, and powerful branching and merging capabilities. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on what is code versioning is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. We are already this March 13, 2024 around 6,159 subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. Without you guys, my channel would not be possible. So thank you so much for your help and support. So see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.